To install the 3.5-inch hot swap hard disk drive backplane, carefully lower the hard disk drive backplane until it is fully seated in the chassis. Secure the backplane to the chassis by pressing the release latches. Reconnect the cables to the hard disk drive backplane.